everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Liquin Original, which is a fantastic medium for oil paint. Not only does it speed the drying time by up to 50%, it also improves transparency, adds gloss to your paint, smooths out the brush marks, and makes your paint flow more easily. There's certain things you do need to keep in mind when using Liquin: how much to use in your oil, how much to use in your second and third layers of oil paint, so that everything works out perfectly and you have a painting that lasts a lifetime. You don't want to use too much Liquin, and you do want to follow the fat over lean principle. So let me show you what I mean. I've laid down some oil paint, and now I'm going to show you the consistency of the Liquin. It's very gel-like, almost syrupy in nature. It's important not to use too much Liquin, so for me personally, I like to add about 20% Liquin to my oil paint. And this works really well in the first layer of my painting process. And once I'm ready to add a second layer of paint to my painting, I add oil to my oil paint, and this follows the fat over lean principle. I like to use walnut oil, but you can use linseed oil, safflower oil. The oil that you like to use is just fine. Just remember, every layer of oil paint you add to your painting must have more oil than the previous layer of paint. And you can continue to add 20% Liquin to every layer of oil paint on your painting. To sum it up, Liquin is a fabulous medium for speeding up the drying time, improving transparency and gloss, perfect for glazing techniques, fine detail. It also smooths out your brush marks, really helps your paint flow much more smoothly and easily. I hope you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Take care, everyone. Bye.